I have several most memorable cases. One of them, the payment was so high that as part of it, we agreed we would not talk on camera about it ever. So I can't mention that case. I can mention the case of Ralph Link. Ralph was one of the nicest men you'll ever want to meet. Gentle man. His wife worked at the hospital where he was mistreated. Ralph Link went in for a lumbar puncture. It developed into a hematoma, and he had multiple signs that his legs were going numb that were ignored hour after hour after hour. To make a long story short, the man ended up as a paraplegic. His situation was extremely dire. He also had a short bowel syndrome from negligent treatment that had happened years before, for which a claim was never made. But he had an elderly wife who was taking care of him 24/7. He had to be moved from a wheelchair to a bed. As anybody who's been in this situation knows, you develop bed sores, particularly at your tailbone. We finally settled this case with multiple insurers because there were multiple defendants. Like I say, sometimes you need multiple medical care providers to make mistakes before damage really occurs. He had a bed sore big enough for me to fit my fist in because his wife all alone was unable to care for him. We had candid conversations with Ralph and with his wife, Sharon Link, who is also a saint, that this may be for her rather than him because the bed sore was going to be so hard to cure. We got enough money for this man. Again, it's a confidential settlement. They don't do them that aren't confidential. That we got him the best medical care, the best nurses you could provide. His bed sore cured completely. None of the doctors expected it would happen. It was infected with MRSA, if you know what MRSA is. And so the cases I can talk about, Ralph Link's case, I'm so proud because he was so deserving, he was so nice, and he was so sick, and we were able to bring him back from the brink and provide years worth of quality life for him and his wife and his children. And so he's one of the people that I'm extremely proud of representing.